A house can check every box online and still be wrong for the way you actually live. A beautiful listing can distract you from a bad fit. There's a particular kind of listing that gets buyers very excited. Great photos, updated kitchens, pretty bath, nice yard, maybe a fireplace doing emotional support in the corner. And sometimes it really is a great fit, but sometimes the perfect house is only perfect online. I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and today we're talking about how to avoid the perfect house trap. Perfect photos can hide imperfect daily life. Listing photos show the home at its best. They don't show your routine. Check commute, road, noise, flow, storage, parking, stairs, yard, maintenance, and how the home works at different times of day. Ask, what does Monday morning look like here? The right home works after the photographer leaves. And sometimes the boxes you're checking aren't the boxes that matter most. Your wish list may need a hierarchy. Not every want carries the same weight. Rank must have, strong preference, nice to have, and I only care because I saw it on the listing. Re-rank after every few showings. Your search should get clearer, not wider. A flat list creates confusion. Now let's talk about the most seductive distraction, renovations. Updated doesn't always mean better fit. Buyers can overvalue new finishes and undervalue layout, light, systems, and location. Was the update done well? Does the layout work? Are the systems solid? Is this my style or just new? Separate new from good. They're not always the same. New finishes don't fix a wrong fit. A home also needs to match your capacity, not just your taste. Be honest about ownership energy. Some homes ask more of you. What to evaluate? Yard, age, systems, cleaning, repairs, snow, leaves, stairs, distance, and future projects. Ask, do I want this lifestyle or do I just like the look of it? Buy the life, not the fantasy. So how do you know when a house is actually right? The right house creates alignment, not perfection. Most buyers make trade-offs. The right trade-offs feel acceptable. What alignment looks like: budget comfort, lifestyle fit, manageable condition, location logic, and emotional connection. Look for a home where the trade-offs make sense and the daily life feels believable. Right beats perfect. If this helped, watch why your first showing reaction can be wrong next, because that video shows how to tour without getting distracted. And if you want help figuring out your real must-haves, book a consult through the link in the description and pinned comment.